Morning, morning. How are you guys? Good morning, beautiful people. Hopefully, we have another green day. So far, we're killing it this week. The past few days, we've been killing it. Not one single great trade so far. That's gonna come, to be honest. That's gonna come someday. Hopefully, not today. We have our levels. I post my levels on my watch list on my Discord. So you guys have my levels. Spike GQ, IWM. If you don't have my level, just put pre-market highs, pre-market low, previous day's highs, previous day low. And then let's keep it simple with this market because it's so choppy and it's been so crazy that I think the best thing to do right now is just keep it simple. Only watch like 2, maybe 3 charts. If you see the market reacting to one of your levels, take a quick scalp and be done with your day. So far, we have ES and NQ extremely strong, especially NQ. Let's see how it's gonna react to pre-market highs. I'm gonna go short on IWM. My stop loss is gonna be 252.50. Kinda tight stop loss. Yeah, IWM, I think it's gonna stop me out very soon. Yeah, Mal, I don't like this. Look at that. Whoa. Damn, what a move. What was that? I like this ES rejection also, but again, can we trust any downside right now? I don't think so. I think it's better to just wait. Remember, trading is about making money and is a business. So you don't want to put your money on a risky business. And for me right now, it's all about keeping the futures challenge accounts alive. We keep making base hits, $100, $200. And if I keep my loser very, very small like today, we are gonna be pretty good for the end of the month. So yeah, it's all about being patient, surviving this market, to be honest. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see if we can have NQ going lower here. Is this a bear flag? Can we trust this possible rejection play? I don't know. I'm gonna try it out with just one contract. My stop loss is, so basically I'm looking for this. Got stop out. And I got fake out. Maybe, maybe not. I really wanted to play this here. This is what I really wanted to play. It's pre-market low, previous day low on ES. And same thing here on NQ, but NQ couldn't even go there. Here. Come on, ES, go a little bit lower. Give it to me. A little bit lower. More. Okay, I got one there. Let's see if we can have another bounce here. Go, go, go. Awesome. I'm setting one here. It looks like it's gonna stop me out, but we'll see. Yeah, I got stop out. If he holds here, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm watching NQ here. Pre-market low on NQ. And if ES goes back up and hold this level, I might try it again. Guys, I have to do it. I have to. I might need to wait for NQ to go down here to pre-market lows. Maybe. I got stop out there. Man, if I got fake out again, I'm gonna die. Ah, another one? Another one? I'm definitely over trading today. Yeah, I gotta stop out. I do think I need to wait and see how NQ is gonna react here, to be honest. Okay. Last trade of the day. Hopefully it doesn't fake me out. But yeah, if it is red, it's red. Give me a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm selling one here. I'm putting my stop loss at today's lows. Another bounce here. Give me at least PT1. PT1. Okay, I got it. Finally. First one out of the way. Now, I need these to happen. And these two. If PT1 can act as support, I think we're gonna keep going higher. And I really believe on what I know when it comes to reading a chart. Can I be... Ooh, I got... What? Okay. That's it. I'm done, guys. I'm green. Another day that I'm green. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I think this could be another good trade. Would I take that trade? I think I should be done for today, to be honest.